Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So you guys, we are at a lovely complex right nearby the new Stelvio apartments in a great area off Millsborough Avenue. Exceptional complex. We are going to view this apartment. When I tell you it's so spacious, I haven't seen something like this on the market. All these apartments have been so small, and you guys have been saying, listen, I need a real master bedroom. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like in this apartment that we're going to tour. So let's get started with the video. Now, coming from the Barbican Road area, you're going to turn off onto Millsborough Avenue. Once you turn off on Millsborough Avenue, just a 2-minute drive up the hill will take you to Tavistock Terrace on the left. The first complex you will see is the Stelvio new luxury apartments, and immediately next door to the Stelvio is this complex that we'll be featuring today called the Vista Bella Complex. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom luxury apartment in an intimate yet spacious and contemporary complex. The complex features responsive and alert 24-hour security, a relaxing swimming pool and recreational area, and a water tank for ample storage for all the residents. Now, on this complex, you guys, you have stunning 360-degree views all the way down to the Kingston harbor. All right. You also have these lovely views of neighboring communities in the luxurious and well sought after hills of St. Andrew. So guys, just take a look at this. And that's just one side. On the other end of the complex, you have this view as well. While there's lots of development taking place in this community and this area, it's still very exclusive, which is really good to know. With just 9 units on the property, this complex is truly an intimate, peaceful, and tranquil place to live. Also, being in Kingston 6, you're truly close to everywhere and everything. It's just so convenient. So let's go right on in to view this stunning apartment. This spacious 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 3,000 square foot apartment is listed for 68 million Jamaican dollars. It features a laundry room, a balcony, several closets, and ample storage space for your large, lovely family. Now, look at this kitchen, my Safe Haven family. This is a dream kitchen. Have you ever seen a kitchen so stunning? Look at the storage space. This is just a Jamaican woman's dream kitchen. This is any woman's dream kitchen. The storage space, the countertop space, area to prep, area to pack, area to everything. And then you have this lovely peninsula right here. You can put some bar stools right here. You can watch the kids do their homework while you prepare dinner right here. You can have the baby chair right in the corner there, monitoring baby while baby is safe away from the stove. So stunning, so beautiful. This is granite countertop as well that you just saw. And here you have the dining area. And guys, you know what? You could actually fit a larger table right there. But we'll just keep it at 4 for modesty. Now, what luxury home does not need a lovely laundry area? Now, as you can see, this is quite a spacious laundry area. It can fit the washer, the dryer easily, and you also have a single wash tub. Now, if you see, look on the inside, you could add some upper cabinetry right there just to get some more storage into that area and utilize the space to the best of your abilities. Really, really good space right here. And I just love it. I just love how the kitchen, please tell me in the comments, I can't be the only one. Do you love the kitchen like how I love the kitchen? Do you appreciate how spacious this one is? Like how I appreciate it? Wow. Let's look at the living room. And before we get even further into this store, I'd like to thank Cavendish International Realty. They have listed this property and they're the ones who afforded me this opportunity to showcase this lovely, lovely home to you guys today. So if you are interested in this stunning, stunning property and you're looking for real estate in Jamaica, they are the go-to at Cavendish International Realty. I'll have their information on the screen as well as in the description box down below. Now that's, you just saw your lovely living area. So spacious, can hold sizable sectional, multiple couches, great family area. All right, and then now I am out on the balcony showing you guys the lovely, lovely views again. Can't you just imagine yourself waking up in this home, coming out onto your balcony with your coffee and just taking in all the fresh air and just relaxing, clearing your mind before you start your day. This is the dream. Okay, this is the dream. You have these lovely sliding doors that take you out onto the balcony, and now we'll go back inside where we're going to view the master suite area, because it really is an area. It's a whole area. All right, so let's take a look at that right now. So upon entering the master suite, you just saw your first of two closets. Yes, and that one was so spacious. Lovely area. Just store your shoes. You could do your perfume in that little corner with the shelves. You could also store some linen right there. But wait, you have more storage space. You have more closet space. Look at these windows just opening up, bringing in all this natural light into this room. The place just feels so alive. And there's me. Hi guys. All right, so you do have additional storage area up there at the top, and then you have this mirrored closet with these sliding doors. This unit will be sold unfurnished with the fixtures and fittings along with the AC units. All right, so there you go. You have this lovely second closet, and right here this area right in front of your bathroom is where I would put a nice full body mirror so I can see myself after I get dressed. Now let's take a look inside this lovely master bathroom. You have double sinks right here. I love the tiling in this bathroom, and I also love how the toilet area is sectioned off and it feels a bit more private than just having it, generally just open right beside the shower. I love that extra attention to detail given towards that. All right, so here you go with your vanity area. You do have storage space at the bottom, and you do have these lovely two mirrors there, one for him, one side for him, one side for her. Right, so let's go back out into our lovely master bedroom. As you can see, this bedroom can fit a king size bed. You do have space for your dresser. You do have space for your chest of drawer. nightstands, and then as you look out through your windows, you're going to get those stunning views yet again. Now, just to remind you, if you are interested in viewing this property, you're going to reach out to Cavendish International Realty at 876-881-8495. So as you just saw right there, that the panel area was just a little electrical panel area, but as you know, it was nicely covered, which we do appreciate. You don't have to see that eyesore, right? And now this takes you right into that hallway, takes you right into this second bedroom, which almost feels like a master based on how spacious it is. It just has a smaller bathroom, right? But large spacious bedroom right here. This could be nice like child's room, and right here you could put a lovely computer desk so they could do their work, or you know what the young people may use it for? TikTok. That can be their TikTok corner where they put up their ring lights. But let us be honest, that's what it'll be used for. And now in this room you do have also a spacious closet with storage area above. Again, really great. You don't have that nice to shelf there. You could put shoes, could put linen, whatever you would like. And then here is the bathroom that's adjoined to this room. All right, so you do have your nice vanity area right there with some storage cabinetry down below, and this one is a glass enclosure shower. So yeah, lovely spacious second bedroom, great for a teen, would also be great even for parents in law, right? So then we'll go into this bathroom, which would act as your guest bathroom as well. As you see, there's no bedroom that's directly attached to it, so it's a great one for a guest, so you can just go right in here. And what I love about this bathroom, yes, you guessed it, more storage space. So you have this lovely linen closet, storage area, which we love it, love to see it. And then immediately back into that hallway right next door to that bathroom, you will see the third bedroom. Again, another spacious bedroom that can fit dresser, nightstands, a nice queen size bed. It can fit computer desk, work area. So really great family house that I'm showing you guys today. Apartments, I should say. So here is the closet for this room. Again with the shelves. Lovely. Just a reminder, this property is listed by Cavendish International Realty. You're gonna reach out to them for any additional information. If you would like to do a viewing, if you're interested in this one, they are the go-to persons that you need to reach out to. I'll have all the information and all the contact in the description. You know what I'm going to do for you guys? I'm going to put it in the pinned comments. I'm going to put it in the pinned comments for you guys, all right? So that's the third bedroom from this apartment. Yes, so you know what time it is, guys? It's time to check out the outdoor entertainment area, and let's see what that has to offer. We are in your lovely backyard area. Now, how this complex is set up is that once you enter on the main level, you kind of go downwards. All right, so we are at the ground level in a sense, right, down to where the entertainment, we have like a nice little gazebo area right here, and the pool area and this little backyard area is located. So that's a nice little entertainment area right there. Great if you have family over and you just want to get some fresh air on the outdoors. You always have that area to go to, or if you would like to sit and have a nice little outdoor dinner, that's a great area. These steps take you right up to the parking level, just for quick and easy access. Now I want you guys to give this video a like, because as you can see right now, it started to rain on your girl. So please guys, give this video a like, because I pushed through and I continued recording for you all. So it would really make my day if you gave this video a like. Wow, so majestic. So right here I was just showing you this lovely barbecue grill, and just trying to explain that you could use this area for multiple entertainment purposes. That's it for today's video, guys. If you're interested in coming in and viewing this property, getting more information about this property, you're going to contact Cavendish International Realty at 876-881-8495, and you can tell them that Britonny from Safe Haven sent you. You can also email them at cavendishrealtyjm@yahoo.co.uk. If you're a realtor and you'd like to work with me showcasing your lovely listings, you're going to email me, Britonny Haye at safehaven at britonnyhaye@yahoo.com, or you can reach out to me on Instagram at safehaven. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And until my next video, bye guys.